welcome back to Rubik's Cube Boy. Today I'm going to do an average of 5. So here's the computer. I'm going to mess this up. Okay. Alright. So here's the Rubik's Cube. It's all messed up. Alright. 3, 2, 1, and go. Oops, sorry, I moved the camera by accident. It's okay. So you can still, oh. Sorry, but, oh, dang it. Wait, let me try again. That was horrible. Here. Start over. Okay. Alright, 3, 2, 1, and go. So you guys can still see. Hands keep getting in the way. I'm sorry about that, guys. Here. Okay. Okay, I'm getting there. It's being done. And 12's done. Done. Alright, so we got 51.52. Here, I'll move the, so you can still see that. Alright, that's first solve. Alright, I'm gonna mess this up now. Alright, I think that's good enough. Alright. Inspection. Alright, 3, 2, 1, go. Sorry, my hands keep getting in the way. Yeah. Oh, dang it. I got a really unlucky scramble. Luckily, I'm almost done. Oh, I was trying to beat 1 minute, but okay. Alright, that's 2 solves. Mess it up. Alright. Almost up. 3, 2, 1, and go. Whoa, what am I doing? I haven't even finished F12. Oh, no. Dang it. Done. All solved. Oh, I got just over 1 minute. Okay. That's 3 solves. So let's try to beat 1 minute this time. Done 3 solves. My best time is 51 seconds. Wow. Alright. Almost up. 3, 2, 1, and go. Done. So I beat 1 minute, but I didn't beat my record. Second best. Alright. Oh, minus 7.36 seconds. That's a good one. Okay. That's 4 solves. Last solve. So now, just have to scramble it. Almost up. Okay, 3, 2, 1, and go. This is the last solve. Go to 5. Okay. Oh, 47 seconds. That's my new best. Alright, that's 5 solves. What's my average? Average. 55.02 seconds. Oops, what the? Okay. 55.02 seconds. Alright. That's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure to like, subscribe, and also see you all next time. Bye.